out of Melbourne. Just a little quick video to introduce myself and also to show you the vehicle that you inquired about. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy. Enjoy the video, and remember, with all of our new vehicles, you get a lifetime warranty on your powertrain, you get 2 years worth of maintenance, you get factory floor mats and nitrogens and the tires. If you want to set up a VIP appointment with me, give me a call. Phone number here is 321-254-8888, extension 363. Thank you and have a great day.